Hi, this is Curtis Coopersmith with NRSWorld.com. Here today to talk to you about the double barrel breakaway. The double barrel breakaway is a great breakaway tool that you can use for either team roping or calf roping. Mainly used for, if you're going to break away a calf, you want something that you can rope and it'll just pop off the calf so you don't have to go get your rope off. Or if you're team roping, you can head a steer, dally, and your rope will just pop off. So I'm going to explain to you today how to put this together. We get a lot of questions about the assembly of the double barrel breakaway, and it's not that complicated, just need to follow the directions here. So I'm going to go straight through the directions here and show you exactly what we're going to do. It says you need a sharp knife, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pot of boiling water. We've already cut the end of this, so I've already used my knife to cut the end of this rope off. The Phillips screwdriver got right here, and the pot of boiling water, I'm just going to use a shrink wrap gun, which will heat up the shrink wrap to where it will be able to pull out of the double barrel breakaway when you rope the calf or steer. So step one, we've already done that. We've cut the end of the rope. Then step two says to slide the shrink wrap over the end of the rope, leaving a 1/4 inch hanging beyond the rope to help seal the end of the rope. So all that means is I'm just going to take this piece of shrink wrap that comes with it, and I'm going to slide it right here over the end of the rope that I cut here. So my rope's starting to kind of unravel here, but I can get it to where I can fit the shrink wrap in. Alright, so I've got my shrink wrap over my rope, and I'm leaving a little bit hanging over the edge here to where it will seal up tight. So you'll use a pot of boiling water, stick the rope and that in there, and that will boil the shrink wrap down on there. For time purposes, I'm going to use a shrink wrap gun. That way it'll get it tight on there fast. The point of this is to get this to where it's flush with the rope, to where there's nothing hanging out over. So I'm going to go ahead and start heating this up to where I can get it flush with the rope. Alright, I've got the shrink wrap tight over the rope now. You can see I've got it tight because you can see the grooves of the rope through the shrink wrap. So now is the time I'm going to start putting on the double barrel breakaway. So it says right here, I'll just read right through the instructions. It says to hold the double barrel breakaway in your left hand. So I got it here with the narrow end facing to the left, and the hole for this Phillips head screwdriver is going to go down. So I'm holding it here, and I'm going to place the shrink wrapped end through the narrow end right here. You'll see there's two different holes here, one smaller than the other one. So I'm going right through here. So I've got holding it in my left hand with the narrow end facing the left, the screw hole facing down. Insert the end of the rope through the left hole. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this right through here, and I can go ahead and make my Honda. So I'll just go ahead and loop that right back through and stick the shrink wrap through the right hole. So now you can see I've got a Honda made. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tighten this hole up with the screwdriver, with the Phillips head screw. So what I'll do is, the point of this is to where the screw will go through the rope and it will hold this part of the rope still. So when you rope the calf or the steer, the part that's going to break away is this end of the Honda will pull out through the shrink wrap. The shrink wrapped end will pull out each time that it gets tight. So I'll go ahead and start putting the screw in here, and you use the screwdriver so that you can get it tight enough to go right through the rope. So I'm going to go ahead and start tightening this up, and it will get tighter as I go because I'll start going through the actual rope. Alright, you can make the Honda as big as you want. The main thing that you want to do here is make sure that you have enough hanging out down here at the bottom. You want it almost flush with the top of the shrink wrap. The Honda will be almost flush with that. So I've got my screw all the way in here that I've tightened up, and now all I've got to do is just make it into a rope. So I'll just take this off, slide this over, put that right back through, and I've got a loop made. So I've got my loop made. As you can tell, say I go and rope a calf, all that's going to happen is when it comes tight, this will just pull off. It will come off. Then when I get my rope back, I go to rope another one. I just take it, slide it right back through, and it works that simple each time. It's in there tight enough to where when you swing your rope, it's not going to come out, but it's in there loose enough to where when you rope something, it puts a lot of pressure on it, it will pop out. If you have any questions about this product, the assembly of this product, or any other products that we offer here at NRS, please feel free to contact us anytime at 800-467-6746. Once again, this is Curtis Coopersmith with NRSWorld.com, your world for all things Western.